There might not be enough oxygen in there.
We'll go throw it in here. Come on over.
Are you serious?
No.
Run. What's that, dude? That's in my ear. I'm gonna hit you with something.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Think about the fact that we all have all our fingers and stuff. We should all be very grateful. Sorry,
dude. I can't hear on my right ear, you asshole.
I'm sorry. You were like right in the middle, and I lit in the middle, and I was like, oh shit.
Not gonna be interested until the box burns. That works.
There wasn't much in that box.
Nah.
Alright, I'm gonna buy mine.
Yeah.
I got human shield duty.
Oh, man. There's not supposed to be anything to vote on.
Yeah,
I didn't really look and see what was in there to begin with.
This will not be fun if it shoots out towards us.
Dude, what the hell? What's going on? No. I would have known if I had mortar shells. Up into a box of 20 mortar shells.
It's a cannon you drop a ball and it shoots it out and blows up.
Yeah.
They're the best